Ciao. Anyway, so
Everyone, day 20. I can't believe that I reached that level. That I am in day 20. I'm so excited and I can't believe myself that I was so disciplined to reach that point. So I'm so proud of myself so far. So day 20, I just finished my morning meditation, which was the love meditation for Sadhguru. Again, I love this meditation so much. I feel inside my heart every time I do it. So it's in my daily basics now. It's something like it's a routine right now. It's a beautiful routine, to be honest. It's amazing meditation, and while I'm doing it, I was feeling so much love, and I cried again. I was feeling so much love in my heart. Like I was like radiating love, like even more than before. Like every time I do that meditation, I feel like I am like more, I have more love in my heart more than before, which is perfect and beautiful and so amazing feeling to feel in your heart. Actually, I did the chakra healing meditation, sorry for the noise. I did the chakra healing meditation yesterday before I go to sleep, and I like really slept like a baby. I was like deep in sleep. Like I slept for fewer hours than I usually do, and I wake up so awake, and I wake up early, which is weird for me because I'm a night owl. So how I feel about myself right now, I feel so happy and I feel so much love even more than before, and I feel so calm and I feel like I'm enjoying every moment without trying to focus on it. Like I guess I'm begin to get into it. I'm sorry for the noise, there's like people, we are in a like morning time as you can see, so there's a little bit of noise, so I'm so sorry for that. Anyway, so let's continue. I was talking about how I feel. I feel so happy and like nothing is bothering me, to be honest. Like feel calm and peaceful to the level that I don't feel angry or upset or feeling sad or mad or anything of that. My current reality is still the same, but I'm really enjoying every moment. I really enjoy everything. Like I'm doing my stuff, my normal daily stuff, like feeling enjoying it. So that's a level is so good, to be honest, and how I feel about everything is perfect, and like I feel like the universe or life was just like holding me in her arms and give me a great hug. That's how I feel. So the last day of the third week, which will be tomorrow, I will be at work, and I really hope that I can like I have time to wake up a little bit early because tomorrow is a busy day. I have like multiple things to do. I'll be busy all the day, so I don't have space to do my meditation at work. So I need to do it, like I must do it at home before I go. I leave home, so yeah, I'm enjoying everything and I'm enjoying my meditation. I'm enjoying life and I feel spectacular and wonderful, fantastic, magnificent. That's the word that I can describe how I feel right now, guys. I feel phenomenal. That's amazing feeling. I never felt that way before, and how I feel right now is like heaven, really. And I'm really enjoying everything in my life, and yeah, I'm so happy that I did that challenge. Really, I'm so happy. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow, and I can't wait to finish my fourth week. So see you soon. Bye.